Introducing art therapist Emma Finch for her project from Artworks and the Black Dog Community Art Project, Breathing Sticks, Anxiety Sticks. I hope you enjoyed this activity. It's Emma back again. I'd like to show you a great tool to have in your kit at home if you ever feel anxious or depressed or have worries or you need to calm down or you're having panic attacks. This is called a breathing stick. And if you hold it vertically, sorry, my dog wants to be part of the act. I apologise for that.
Stay down. Sit.
Right, your breathing stick is very easy to make. You have 8 beads. They can be the same colour, different colours or contrasting colours. Pony beads are very good for this activity. And you have a long pipe cleaner, and you can get them in multitudes of colours. Just choose what suits you. Now we're going to do a breathing exercise, and this will calm you, relax you, and help you to feel that your equilibrium is back into balance, and that it should slow your breathing, and you'll become more relaxed and more centered. So we're going to breathe in, and when we breathe in, we put a hand on the first bead and we take it to the top of the pipe cleaner. So on 1, we'll breathe in. 1, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, hold your breath. Breathe out, bring your fingers down to the next bead. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, down to the next bead. Breathe in. Bring the bead up. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, go down to the next bead. Breathe in. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Release. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, hold, release. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, relax. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, relax. Breathe in. And turn your stick the other way round. Now if you find that hasn't relaxed you enough, you can go through the process once again or as many times as you need. But we'll go through the process once more. So we're ready. We breathe in up to the top. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. Breathe in. 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 1, 2, 3. Relax. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Now you can turn the stick around the other way again, and like I said before, you can continue. But this should help settle your breathing, relax you, and calm you down. And if you have a worry, it's sitting on your chest, this is a good way to relax and use the pipe cleaner and the beads. Very easy to make, and you can make your own and at very little cost, and it will help you, and it'd be a great tool to keep by your bed, keep in your school bag, in your handbag, or in your car. So thank you for joining us for your breathing stick. If you feel like, you can hold your breathing stick horizontal and you can move the beads that way. Relax, let go. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in and breathe out. And again, you can turn it round and do the same process. But thank you for joining us, and I hope you get some relief out of this activity.